Hello people, it's Yazan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. So today I am gonna cover all of the THORChain network. So stay tuned for that. So here is their website. Or let me tell you in a detailed review. I will give you a detailed review of the THORChain here. THORChain was founded by a pseudonymous team of cryptocurrency developer at Binance Hackathon in 2018. The project technically has no founder, and none of its 18 self-organized developers has a formal title of any kind. Of many THORChain's resources were also created by its community, most notably the THORChain website. This website would be concerning were it not for the incredible transparency of THORChain's core operation. Development updates are published to Medium on a weekly basis, and treasury reports are published every month. Of all THORChain's code is open source, and this code has been audited 7 times by well-known auditing firms like CertTech. Also raised more than $2 million between the private sale and seed sale of the RUNE token, and raised an additional $250,000 from its IEO on Binance. So I'll get back to RUNE in a moment. In a sentence, of THORChain is a protocol that makes it possible to instantly swap cryptocurrency between blockchains. It's designed to function as the back end to the next generation of cross-chain decentralized exchanges. The THORChain Chaos Net went live in the summer of 2020 after almost 2 years of development. THORChain's CosNet subsequently became the backend for the BepSwap DEX, was the first decentralized application to launch on the Binance Smart Chain in September 2020. BepSwap features BEP20 BEP20 versions of various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and served as a testbed. The multi-chain chaosnet went live earlier in the April. It's possible to swap between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and half of a dozen other cryptocurrency in their native form without wrapping. This can be done using the THORSwap web interface and the Asgard X web interface, and the Asgard X desktop client, which act as a front end. The THORChain multi-chain chaosnet protocol. The THORChain community is also building various DEX interfaces built on the THORChain protocol. So how the hell does THORChain actually work? THORChain is built using the Cosmos SDK and uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm based on Tendermint. The THORChain blockchain currently has 76 validator nodes and can theoretically support up to 360 validator nodes. Each THORChain node must take a minimum of 1 million RUNE, which works out to whooping $14 million. So THORChain validator nodes are responsible for witnessing transaction occurring on the other blockchain, as well as sending and receiving cryptocurrency stored in various wallets that they collectively custody. For example, let's say you want to trade BTC for ETH using THORChain. You would send BTC. You want to trade for ETH to a Bitcoin wallet address being custodied by THORChain nodes. They would see that this transaction has taken place on the Bitcoin blockchain and would automatically send out ETH from their Ethereum wallet to the wallet address you provided. Sending any cryptocurrency out of these so-called THORChain vaults requires the consensus of 2/3 of all active validator nodes. Validator also face harsh slashing penalties if they try to steal from the cryptocurrency vaults they custody. To ensure the slashing penalty is always larger than the amount of cryptocurrency that could be stolen from these vaults. THORChain nodes are incentivized to buy and stake RUNE so that their stakes are always worth twice to the value locked in the protocol by liquidity provider. Unfortunately, the BTC to each swap I just explained is a gross oversimplification what THORChain actually does. So if you guys haven't heard about what THORChain is, I highly suggest you guys start here at their website. This has a lot of great useful information. It tells you what exactly what THORChain and RUNE can be used for and why is it useful, guys. This is where you need to start at the THORChain.organization. If you guys haven't invested in this coin, or if you have invested in this coin and you haven't checked the website yet, I highly suggest you check it out, because you will learn things. I learn things every time I come to this website, guys. So let's go ahead and go over it. I'm not going to read everything, but I just want to go ahead and give a brief overview. So decentralized liquidity protocol deposit native asset into the liquidity pool to earn yield. The network is 100% autonomous and decentralized. So what this mean, like if you have BTC, ETH or Litecoin, you can liquidate those token on the THORChain, and so you can earn APY on that. So which is a huge thing, like liquidity pools to earn yield. The network is 100% autonomous and decentralized. This is huge, guys. Do you know how big this is? Because basically what is this saying, that you can take your Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or any other cryptocurrency you have, and you can put it on THORChain's protocol, and you can provide liquidity to earn yield on your Bitcoin. So if you provide liquidity to a THORChain, they will pay you a percentage of the of that back. So it could be 10%. You put one Bitcoin and you'll get 0.1 back every single year. Guys, this is huge. This is a competitor to all centralized exchanges. So this was for the annual percentage yield. They have their own swaps, as you can see here, like here, swap and pool on THORChain using community maintained web and desktop interface. So that's good. They are introducing v0.2. So their RUNE token and tweets from some person. So this was up for their website. Let me show you their Twitter. As you can see there, that THORChain Thor names. So what this would do, like you can send your transaction to actual name, like some person's name, not to that address 0.9672 and something. So that's they are finishing that, and they are introducing usernames, so which is a good thing. And they have pinned their tweet. It's been tweeted on June 3, and it got 1k likes. So people are people are taking interest in this thing. So let's have a look at the global the total cryptocurrency market capitalization and Bitcoin dominance here. So the Bitcoin dominance could be potentially be going up, because I mean, look at what happened in 2017, guys. We went all the way from 85% all the way down to about 37, and then we traced all the way back to up to 60 dominance for Bitcoin. And then early this year, when Bitcoin was going crazy, none of the altcoins were really moving. That was kind of like the January time frame. Bitcoin dominance was about 60, and we went all the way down to 39, and we went back up to 46, and then we came back down to 41, and now Bitcoin dominance is at 45, guys. So we potentially see Bitcoin dominance go back up to 50 or even 60, guys. And if we see that a lot of these guys of these altcoins will not be moving, and some of them could potentially even be going down in the price. So that's just something to keep in mind. If Bitcoin dominant doesn't go decide to do a reversal, guys, back in 2017 and 2018, guys, we did see times where all the altcoins were in red and Bitcoin was the only thing pumping in the market. There was, if you've been around, if you guys are being around for some years, you have definitely seen that you know that I'm talking about. So we could potentially see that we really have not saw that much saw that too much this year. Back in January, when Bitcoin was pumping, the altcoins were still moving up. They weren't really dumping, but we all have seen coins dump in the Bitcoin pump, guys, in the past. So just something to keep in mind, not trying to scare you guys away from investing in all kinds in altcoins. We potentially see Bitcoin's dominance go even lower, but it just look like it could potentially be a reversal in the trend, because we have seen the reversal in Bitcoin dominance so many times in the past, guys. So just something to watch out for, and just be careful of. So that's my thoughts on that, and let's go ahead and into price prediction for THORChain. So let's get into the price prediction. As you can see that it's been on $9.54. It's been up 14% in the and the last 24-hour trading volume is 136.9 million. That's a lot. And it's been up 37%, and the market cap is 2 billion, and it's been ranked as 50 on the coin market cap. As you can see that it has touches its all-time high here on almost $20. So it has started here from 0.01 in the 2019, and it have gone as a bullish graph, and then it have a dip. So as you can see, if I show you the 1-day chart here, so it's gaining a lot of potential here, and going to all the way 9.6 from 8.4. so that's a good thing, and this project have a lot of potential. So if you see the 7-day chart, so here a little dip, but it found its support here and here, then it pumped again, and it's touch its again that point where it was on last 7 days, so that's a good thing. It's been listed on Binance, FTX, and every crypto exchanges out there, so you can buy it from anywhere. So this was pretty much for THORChain. If you want me to cover this on daily basis, I can do that for you. Just give the like, thumbs up to this video, and make sure to subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more gems from the crypto world. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.